stay focused when you're tired. I basically watched like half of all of YouTube on Sunday. When I work really hard on the weekend, I always find Sunday to be the harder day to work. I'm just tired. I want to just lay down. I don't want to do anything. I just want to stare into space. But I always try to rationalize, like, oh, at least I got something done. Which is not the way I want to say. That's not what I want to do. I want to get all of it done. All of it. I always, after I lane split, is I check the people in the cars behind me to see if they're flicking me off. Because every now and again it does happen. Somebody will just be a sourpuss that you lane split and then they flick you off. I saw it once. I turned around and flicked the guy off, and then he didn't do anything. He just like act like he never did it. It was pretty funny. Like it was the most non-offensive birds ever flipped off at two people. He like flipped me off, I turned around, flipped him off, and then nothing happened. It was kind of funny. These PT Cruisers, why are they still around? They are the ugliest cars. And look at this one, it's gold. Ugh. Gross. God, they're so gross. They're so ugly. My wife really, she like rented one time and just really liked the way it drove, so she doesn't care that much about the looks of it. She just liked how comfortable and well it drove, so she likes the car. Ugh. So she's always teasing me about getting one. No. No way. No PT Cruiser. Hey guy, what's up? How you doing? Come here often? Oh god, you made this fucking tight shit. Rear brake. There we go. Oh god. That was a tight fit. But we made it. Oh man. I got this douchebag tailing me. Fuck. Alright. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get away from tailgaters. Put your life in danger and just to get ahead a few seconds. That's it. That's how you do it. That's how you wreck and die. Or you try and do it safely, like I did, but it's still very dangerous and stupid. But yeah, live and die. That's it. Live and learn if you live. It is so wonderful driving a motorcycle in Southern California. Why would you not? You get away from tailgaters, you lane split, you get home twice as fast as anyone in a car. And it's fun, like, you know, half the, okay, not half, 3/4 of the entertainment of motorcycle is putting on the glove. The gloves, the leather gloves, that's the coolest part. I love that part. It's like suiting up for battle. Putting on the helmet, you're like, getting ready to go fight all these cagers. Okay, not cage, just drivers, other people. Calling them cagers is just racist. I'm a cager myself. Another great thing about being on motorcycles, you get to take HOV. They say motorcycling is dangerous, and it is. But if you practice and you perform safe habits of riding, it's safe. You know, every now and again you make stupid decisions, but you know, you do it in a car too. I understand the argument, the chances of surviving a accident on a motorcycle versus a car, you know, obviously. But, you know, like I said, we live, we die. I don't want to die. Prematurely, that is. I'd like to go maybe out on my own terms. That would be nice. That would be cool. I want to make more videos, but with all the other things that are going on, like, it's hard to put the effort into a video where it's, you know, entertaining to watch and it doesn't look stupid. Right now, this is kind of all I can do, but I definitely want to do more. And I've been trying this weekend. I've been trying, but I can't put in hours and hours of effort into video editing because I have other things I want to do. So for now, it's just gonna have to be simple moto vlogs, I guess. Oh, here's another great thing. My wife just got back from the doctors and she said that everything is great. I think there's 165 days left until the big surprise, which is really great news. I'm very excited for that. That kind of gets me pumped. It's good because I was a little depressed over the weekend. Not depressed, just kind of bummed out that I didn't go outside. I stayed inside all weekend just working on my computer. So this gives me an extra kind of boost of energy to be like, yeah, all right, everything's great. And it kind of motivates me to want to work a little bit more and make my work better and just push myself harder, really. Or push myself harder. Oh, no, that's weird. That's what she said. I don't know how much I'm gonna make this into a motovlog, but I'll try. And I hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of my life, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!